Well, aren't you just a little bit relieved that most of that was already familiar? Like hearing that song you liked from high school on the radio? It's a nice surprise and brings back memories of days long ago. You've come so far since then. Let's not stop now. Let's say your client wants you to pull an income statement, looking over the past 3 years, so they can do some analysis on how things are trending. Would you know how to do that? Naturally, software makes this a breeze. How about I get a friend of mine to walk you through it?
So most accounting programs should have the ability to pull a profit and loss statement. I'm going to demo really quick where to find that in QuickBooks Online. I'm in Craig's Design and Landscaping Services, which is Intuit's demo company for QuickBooks Online. This is a great company to experiment in. But I'm going to go to the reports on the left navigation. And at the top here, we have some favorites already bookmarked. And you can click profit and loss really quick. If you scroll up, you can see there's settings for date range and other things. So this is the profit and loss report. I've rerun it for this year, showing income, cost of goods sold, expenses, and then of course the bottom line, which is their net income for the year. So that's how you run a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Online. Like I said, all the other accounting programs will have a similar report ready for you.